Hello friends, welcome to the Gadget Crunch. Today I will tell you how to use the Vidiq from laptop or smart PC. Okay friends? Friends, here you can see the laptop screen and you can see that Google Chrome on my laptop screen. Simply click on the search bar and type the Vidiq. So you can see the second number is Vidiq extension. Simple click on it. So after that, how to attach? When you click on it, extension for the Google Chrome and Firefox and other browser. Okay friends, so when you simply click on it, you can use this extension for your Chrome. So simple click on it, the Vidiq extension, and I visit to show you how to use this Vidiq for your YouTube channel or videos to gain the views or audience. If you are new on my YouTube channel, you haven't subscribed my channel, simply click on the like button, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon, because if you don't subscribe, click on the bell icon, so you don't receive the new video of notification. Friend, you can see here is one of my video and total score 44.9 out of 50. Okay, friends, so here is all the tags which I used in. So this is the section of Vidiq, and you can see it is also give me free of cost the tags which I use here. So if you use from your mobile application, so it's automatically generate and you can apply on your video. So here is the keyword inspector for your video of the Vidiq. Simple here, I want to search how to Vidiq. Okay friend, now you can see here is the simple one, and these are, because it's very limited on the free. So if you want to more, so this is I suggestion you can use the application of this Vidiq. So this is very impressive on the mobile application, because I'm using on the mobile. I use the application of Vidiq on mobile, so this is the good. Friend, you can see I searched the how to grow YouTube channel. So this is first one, and here is the score of medium. These are the other tag, medium, low, medium, and this is the total search volume you can see, and this is overall score of these 4 tags. So if you want to add your channel video, so simply click on the plus and this is automatically add on your video. I check, you can see when I click on the plus button and I close here, you can see it is also appear here. Okay friends, this is the good. If you want to use this, so it is very simple, you can use for your YouTube channel to grow the videos and get the audience. I hope you understand. If you have any difficulty, so you can ask to me in the comment section. I will tell you about it, any difficulty have you. Okay friends, take care for the next video.